Hello YouTube, so today we're going to learn how to install WordPress website from CPanel. So the first step you need to take is logging into your CPanel account. Scroll down until you see the software section, okay? And then click on Softaculous app installer. If you don't see WordPress anywhere, like I see in here, just search it in the search box, WordPress. Okay, now just type install now. Okay, so you need to choose your domain where you need to install. Hopefully you have already attached your domain name to your hosting account. And now in here you need to specify the directory. Okay, I need to specify the directory because I already have a WordPress installed at my domain, so I would like to install it in a different directory. I'll just name it YouTube. Okay, in the site settings section, just give it a name. Okay, lower in the account admin account section, just give it a username other than the admin. Okay, and a password. I'm just going to hide it. Okay, check this bulk limit login attempt. So what is this doing? This is going to protect your site against hackers that might try to log into your website. So if they fail 3 times trying to input a password, the wrong password, so this plugin is going to block their IP, so they won't be able to attempt any longer to hack your website. Let's click install. Okay, I'm just going to save my password. We have to wait a little bit. Okay, and it says congrats, the software was installed successfully. Okay, you may check your website fast. Okay, looks like everything works fine. And now you can try to log in clicking this link. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, looks like I'm in the backend, on the backend. So everything works. Okay guys, see you in the next episode. Bye bye for now.